Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete YouTube Kids account permanently. So if you want to delete a YouTube Kids account, you must delete the child's Google account associated with it or manage the parental settings. And this is a step-by-step guide to do it. First, you need to open the Family Link application or website. So the child's YouTube Kids account is linked to a Google account managed through the Google Family Link. If you don't have a Google Family Link application, you can use browser or you can also get it on the Play Store. So let's just hit on open. Okay, after you open the application, you can just tap on the child's profile that you want to delete. In this case, this one's right here, for example. And then you can just ensure you need to ensure that you have access as the family manager or the adult account managing the child profile. And next, in the Family Link app or website, you can just go to the manage settings or manage account. Click on your profile at the top and tap on manage account. So after that, you can just select the account info or delete account and follow the prompts to permanently delete the account. And you may be asked to enter your Google account password for confirmation so that the one enter is again the parent, and you can just confirm the deletion or to remove the account permanently. So if you want to cancel active subscription, if any, you can just go to the pay.google.com and cancel all subscription before account deletion. And next, you can also remove the YouTube Kids application. So once the account is deleted, you can just uninstall the YouTube Kids app from the device by long press the app icon, this one, the YouTube Kids, and then select uninstall or remove it via settings or setting and apps. Okay, so before deleting the child's account, because it will permanently erase all associate data, so you need to back up your data including your YouTube Kids preferences. And once deleted, the child accounts cannot be recovered, so you need to be sure that you want to delete it. And if you don't want delete the child's account but wish to restrict access, you can manage the YouTube Kids settings from the Family Link applications. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.